Hello, today we are doing a video on how to do any subtraction equation 3a or 3b. This video will help you no matter if it has different numbers in it. The process is the same for subtraction equation 3a or 3b. In 3a or 3b, what we discover is that we actually have to find the second missing term, which is this one right here. This was what makes it a little bit more difficult. But let's go ahead and read the story and fill in what we know for our equation. A. Mary Beth needs to send 35 emails. We circle 35. B. She sends B emails so far. Circle B. C. She has 16 emails left to send. Here's our question. How many emails has Mary Beth sent out so far? Okay. Well, a couple things that we know. We know our A is 35. So we're going to put that in. We know our B is the thing we don't know, so we're going to put a big letter B right in here. And we know that how many she is left to do. She has 16 left to send, so we put that under the C section. And when it says left, we know that is going to be subtraction. That's our keyword. They got that in there for you. So now we have our equation, 35 minus b equals 16. Time to solve it, okay? And get out your calculators. We'll need to have our calculators handy to solve this. And we're just going to fill in the spots that they need us to fill in. So A is 35, so we're going to put in a 35 right here. Everything else is filled in except the C, so we're going to put in this C right there, okay? 35 minus B equals 16 minus 35. That's our number sentence. We can go to the next line. Well, what's 35 minus 35? That's right, something take away the exact same thing leaves you nothing, so we can put in a 0 there. This is always going to have a 0 on all of your sheets for that. Okay? And here we have 16 minus 35 on the other side, and we need to use our calculator to figure that out. So I'm going to, I'm going to put in 1, 6 minus 3, 5, there's my equal sign, equals. I get minus 19. They've already got the minus sign there for me, so I just have to put the 19 part, minus 19. So 0 take away B equals minus 19. Okay. Over here, they got rid of the 0, so it's just minus B equals minus, what, do we just drop this 19 down? We do. 19. Okay. Now this little line here is what we call a sign switcher line. Anytime you multiply something -1 times something, it switches the sign from a negative to a positive or a positive to a negative. So we're just going to put in the 19 here because that's all we have to do to drop it down, and B is equal to 19. Okay. So there's our answer. The page has done most of the sign switching work for you. Okay. B equals 19. We want to circle 19 because we'll need to know that when we come back to it. Now we get to the easy part, and that's checking our work to make sure we did it right. We have to make sure we put in the answers. They've got some of the answers, the numbers in there for us. A is 35. We got that. B is, well, we know now because we circle it. B is 19, and C is already 16 there. So 35 minus 19 equals 16. So these are the two numbers we have to use our calculator to subtract. 3, 5 minus 1, 9 equals. We get 16. So I'm going to put 16 right there. Over here, the C value is 16. Nothing adds or subtracts or divides or multiplies, so we just drop it down, 16. So 16 equals 16. Is that true? Are they the same numbers? Yes, they are. Okay, that means we did everything right, and so this is going to be our correct answer for B. Since B equals not 16, but it's up here what we circled, since B equals 19, that means Mary Beth sent 19 emails so far. Good job.